Welcome, in front of me I have ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and today I'll show you how fingerprint sensor works on the smartphone. It's also a good test because we apply on the screen tempered glass. So let's see how the sensor performs. Okay, right now it works definitely better than ASUS ZenFone 7 Pro, a sensor that you can find on the right edge. It's linked with power key. So it's faster and definitely more reliable. So as you can see, this sensor works really nice, it's fast, it's reliable, and that's all. What I can say, I can recommend this sensor and this smartphone for sure. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.